What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to reset the oil life, as well as clear the maintenance required service reminders on a 2022 Acura MDX. Like I said, I'm going to be working on a 22 MDX in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So we're going to do all this using this kind of scroll, this roll button right here on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So what we want to do is roll it or scroll down until we have this screen highlighted, maintenance. Once this screen's highlighted, we're going to press and hold this in, this roller ball. Press and hold that in and continue to hold it in for about 10 seconds until the reset maintenance screen pops up. So once that screen pops up, you can go ahead and let that button go. Now what we're going to do is scroll through here. If you only want to reset individual items, you can actually go through them all. But I'm just going to click all do items. And once that's highlighted, we're just going to press this in again. Click it. And that's it. As you can see, it reset back there to 100%. And we'll also clear the service reminder. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.